Imagine turning any text into a human-like voice or even cloning your own voice in minutes. Today I will show you exactly how to use 11 apps, step by step, from beginner to pro. We will cover text-to-speech, voice cloning, AI dubbing. Let's get into this. Once you land on your 11 Labs website, on the top right side corner, you will see this option of login. Simply go and log in. And if you don't have an account, simply just go and click on sign up and it will ask you to make an account. To make an account, it's really easy. You can make an account with Google or simply give your email and password and click on sign up. Once you're here in 11 Labs, the interface is going to look like this. And on the left side, there are a lot of menu bar. I will go and explain and give you a live demonstration on each and everything. And on the right side, there are some of the features and some of these, bars which we can change and we can play with it. So let's go and click on home. Now here you will get a shortcut of every feature which 11 Labs provide. So initially 11 Labs was just for audio and it used to help you to create AI generated audio that used to sound like a real human. But now 11 Labs provide you much more features. For example, this is instant speech. This means you can just from text to speech, right? You can just add some of the text and it will give you audio. Don't worry, I will explain you each and everything. This is audiobook, so you can convert your audio into books, and there's a lot of different things, so that is pretty much easy. So now you don't need a human to create any kind of audio form of content. But now 11 Labs even provide image to videos, right? So you can create images and videos inside 11 Labs, and you can use this creation and you can sync it with the audio created by 11 Labs in the 11 Labs studio. I will give you a live demonstration over it. Now this is called 11 Labs Agent. Majority of time, this feature is used by B2B, the businesses. They use it for the automation of their customer support, right? You can create music, so now you don't need to use Suno, right? And obviously you can dub your audio and you can also dub your video. So if I just drag and drop from a different kind of language, different kind of video, and it will dub me in a specific language which I want, right? I have tried it myself and it works perfectly fine. Now let's start with the first one. So you can access the instant speech directly from here, or simply you can click on text to speech. By the way, there are much more features which are called sound effects, voice isolator, voice changer, and there's a lot more. So we'll go one by one. So this is the basic for which 11 Labs is popular. This is called text to speech. So for example, right now you can see I wrote here something. Now I can simply go and click on generate speech, right? But on the right side, you will see something which is called you can change the voice. So now I need a different kind of voice. So this is some of my favorite, but obviously I can just go and click on explore and I can explore some of the top performing voices. For example, let me show you up this.
Let's work through this together.
And you can see.
I guide you step by step and make everything feel.
You ever get that feeling like today's the day?
And in this way, I can find different kind of voice, different kind of accent. So for example, that I just want a female. So I can just go and select on the filters on the female. Now, obviously, this female voice could have a different languages and different age. So now I want a young female voice. And in terms of language, I want an English, right? So I can just go and click on select on English. Now it will give me, by the way, these are all copyright free. So if you create content by using voices of 11 Labs, you will not get any kind of copyright. So that's completely fine.
Hi, it's Charlotte, the sweet warm.
Now this is it, right? So I hope you understood this part. Now I can simply go and select this, and let's say I want this voice. So I will just go and click on it. It will just take a few fraction of second to fit here. And now I can increase the speed. Now I can increase the similarity and style exaggeration. Now if you're a beginner and if you have no idea how this works, obviously you need to play with it. Sometimes it works better, sometimes it doesn't. So you have to play with it, you have to change the bar, right? And simply click on generate speech. Now automatically in few seconds, it will start creating a speech for you guys, right? Now this is called 11 Multilingual V2. It means this is the latest model of 11 Labs, and if you use it, so simply you can just type it here. You can play with different speakers, right? At the same time, different speakers or different persons are interacting with each other. So simply click on enhance and automatically it will enhance it, right? So here you can see that automatically the AI of 11 Labs understood that this sentence is a happy sentence. So they added expression of happy. If I just go and click on generate, automatically it will give me the voice of a happy female. right? So this is pretty much easy. And now let's move to the next feature, that is audiobook. Now this feature is like you can earn from it. So you can create audiobooks and you can publish it to the 11 readers, and if somebody here or somebody listen to your audiobooks, obviously you can get paid. So that's a great thing. Now to create it, simply click on create a new book, and now here it will just take a few seconds of your time, and it will just give you a simple tutorial. Like for example, you can craft your audiobook, you can custom make your voice, and there's a much more. For example, this is dynamic narration, and the publish and start earning, right? So this is one of the latest feature where you can earn, but I have never tested it myself, so I cannot guarantee you that how much you can earn. But yeah, you can try it out and let me know in the comment section. So I can just type here whatever I need, right? And then I can increase the volume, the fade in, fade out. So I can just customize each and everything. I can just write a complete audiobook in a long text, right? And I can select the model. So right now it is recommending me that I should use V2. That is really good. But the V3 is, I just gave it example that the much more expressive model. So I will recommend you just go with V2 or V3 and simply click on publish. Now automatically it will get published on ElevenLabs Readers Club, right? And there, if somebody hears your audiobook, obviously you will get paid for it. And here you can check the payout, and you can connect to your bank account here using Stripe, and it will show you and give you a complete stat. Now this is called analytics, how many people and for how many hours they have listened to your audiobooks, right? And the resources and everything. So this is pretty much easy. But now let's go to that is called ElevenLabs agent, right? I will explain your images and videos later, but yeah, let's go to the ElevenLabs agent. So just go ahead and click on agree. Now this will help you to automate it. So this is called workflow, right? So for example, this is usually used by businesses where they want to automate their customer support or something else, where they don't need a human, but they need a human voice. So for example, this is customer support, front desk, receptionist, outbound calls, and healthcare, hospitality, and education. And there's a lot more. Pretty much I have seen ElevenLabs in customer support because that is a much more popular one, right? So I will just go and select up, customer support. And ElevenLabs will give me a template which is used widely, but obviously I can create my own. For example, this is called start, right? And if somebody calls you, and yeah, they will interact with ElevenLabs agent, and ElevenLabs will agent try to hear that what's the problem, and they will identify the issue. Now here the issue is that they are facing some kind of technical errors, so it will just redirect to troubleshoot, and here whatever command or whatever information which I give to ElevenLabs, it will resolve it, right? So you can add a different kind of here. So for example, if I want to plus here, so I can just add a new feature, right? And it will work, right? So let's preview this and let's see how it works. So this is called agent, and right now it's calling, right? So I'll just allow this up.
Hey, this is Jamie
And
from
now I
York.
can interact
What
with
are you with
Labs
today?
agent. Now he is hearing. So hey, how can you help me right now?
I'm here to help you with whatever you're experiencing. Could you please describe the issue
And
you're
based on it,
having with
it'll give me information, and it will try to talk with me. I can simply call just to check that whether the workflow is working properly or not. Now, if I just go and click on view detail, and I can create my own agent. To create your agent, simply click on view details, and here you can name your agent, and you can give a prompt just like prompt you give to ChatGPT or Claude, and you can set the personality, the environment, the tone, and everything, and simply click on create agent. And in this way you will able to create an agent and you can integrate it. But the integration part, that's something a little bit I should just give you in detail, but this video is only concise on how to use ElevenLabs. So if you want a video on how you can integrate your customer support, just let me know in the comment section and I will make a video over it, right? And there's a lot more features here. So obviously this is called knowledge base, that now whatever new feature that ElevenLabs publish in agent section, you'll able to check it from here. Often this is called tools, so you can create your own tools, and obviously you can integrate it, right? So as I told you, I will help you with the integration, just let me know. And here I can use different kind of voices. I can create my own voice, right? And I can create a voice for customer support, sales, and coach, and there's a lot more feature. It's completely up to me how I want to create it, and I will show you how you can create your own voice. Now here you will find much more things. For example, 11 creative, that is where you can just text to speech, voice changer, and those features you can use it. But this is called ElevenLabs agent section. So as you can see here, completely called change, and this is called API. So obviously you can use the API to make your own SaaS or something else, right? So let's go back to ElevenLabs creative, and here to create a music, it's really easy. You have to just give them a normal prompt and it will create it. So how many numbers of variation you want? I want 2, and let's give the duration of auto, right? And you can set the duration of the song that you can give it up to 6 minutes, or you can even go custom and you can extend it more. And the audio, so you can always go for custom, instrumental, whatever you want, right? Do you want the fine tune? For example, if you want cinematic, ambient, whatever it is, right? So let's give a simple prompt here. I gave a simple prompt and let's click on this and it will generate a song, and this could be like this. And you can also check out the generation of other people and in the community, and you can download it and you can use. So if you have used suno.com, suno.ai, then it is exactly the same thing. It helps you to create music. So there's nothing more which I can help you with it, but yeah, you can always experiment with it a lot. Now this is called dub video. This feature is really useful because I can just go and click on create a dub and I can upload a video, and I can I can dub a normal. For example, I want to dub this video. I will copy this up and paste the link here, and then I will select the number of speaker. There's only one, and I want the dub from English to something else. For example, I want Spanish, right? And then I can just go and click on create on dub, right? So make sure that video shouldn't be too much long. It's much more easy if you just give 1 minute or 2 minute long. But if the video goes around 15 minutes, 20 minutes, then obviously you will get this issue that you don't have enough credit. But if you have enough credit, you can obviously use it. So for example, let me show you. I created one dub here, and just to show you this. So this is a dub video.
सिर्फ एक बंदी है और उसका दोस्त
And I've used it for more. So for example, check this one.
Every big company is using the same AI model, same training, same data, same limitations.
I hope you understood this. So it's really easy. Now let me show you some of this more feature. So let me explain that how you can clone your voice. So simply just go ahead and click on voices here and click on create new voice. Now here you will get a lot of options. For example, voice design. So I don't need to give my voice. I can design the voice directly from here. This is called instant voice clone. So you just need to give 10 seconds of your audio or 20 seconds of your audio, and it will clone your voice. But if you seriously want to clone your voice, then just go and use professional voice clone. Unfortunately, this is not available in a normal plan. You have to upgrade up to professional plan here, and you need to give a clean 30 minutes of audio, and it's take around 10 to 20 minutes, and obviously it will create very realistic voice of yours, right? And the last feature, that is called voice remixing. So you can transform existing voices with text prompt to create new voices, similar to voice design. So let's go one by one here. If I just go and click on voice design, I have to give a basic prompt here that how I want a voice. So this is an example, a deep booming male voice of a massive evil ogre in his ear, right? So you can use GPT or Cloud Code to create your prompt and simply click on generate voice. Now this is called setting. Now here you can check that what will be the volume. So this is a volume of the flow, the velocity of the voice, the energy, right? So if you just go to loud, the energy will be very loud and it will sound like screaming. So obviously if you have no idea what should I keep, then simply keep it by default. Now this is called guidance scale. So it helps you to control how closely the AI follow the prompt. So make sure that if you want that it should follow exactly the same prompt, so just go and select on high, right? So it's up to you, and simply click on generate voice here. Now it will generate your voice in few seconds. And check this up, created, and it will create versions of it. This is the another version, and this is. And you can select any one of this voice and you can use it for further process. You can give a name and basic details here and click on save voice, and you can use that voice to create your own audios. I hope you understood till here. Now this is called instant voice clone. So I just need to record my audio. So let me record this audio, or simply I can drop my audio here, and then I can just go and click on next, and automatically it will create audio for me. By the way, I've created my own audio, so let me show you the example here. If I just go to my voices, and you can check this out.
Responsibility is taking care of our world together.
This was one version,
Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn.
and this was another version. So this audio is made on the latest model, and this was made on some of this V2, right? So I hope you understood how you can create your own voice, and you can create as many voices as you want. So there's no issue at all. Now let's go to something which is called sound effects. So right now, ElevenLabs can help you to create sound effects, right? So I'm a video editor and I edit my videos, and sometimes I need this desperately. For example, I want loud, space sound, and I will just go and click on generate, and it will generate a loud space background music. Check this out, and it will create a full versions of it, right? So pretty much easy, and I have explained each and everything here. Now let's go to the voice isolator. Now this will help you to clean the audio. So let's say that you have a footage where the background music is too much, then obviously you can use voice isolator. You can drop your file and it will help you to fix this up, right? So pretty much easy, very simple. But I will advise you that use this platform, which is called Adobe Podcast Enhance, right? This works much more better because I'm a creator and I use this kind of tools a lot. So obviously it's free, but the paid one works much more slightly better, but there's a not much more difference. So if you want a voice isolator, you can go with Adobe Podcast, but if you have a ElevenLabs subscription, you can also go with it. It's completely up to you. And this is called a voice changer, and I've used this voice changer, so I have to record my audio and it will simply change my voice. Now it will not change me something to a robotic or something. No, those were old kind of softwares, but this voice changer can literally change your voice to something else. For example, that I can change my audio to a clone audio, or I can use any kind of audio to clone it, right? So that's the best thing which you can have, right? And this is really useful. The other tools I have already explained you, the dubbing and this production, and there's a lot more very simpler things, but you can use it by yourself, or the basics is already covered in this video. Now let's go to this studio. So this is really a good feature because you don't need to use another editing platform if you're creating everything here. So for example, let's say click on new blank project, and it will give you two options: video projects or audio projects. Now I want to work with video projects, so whatever videos and images which I will use to create it, I can keep an audio directly here and I can generate it. So for example, I can upload my own video, or let's say I can describe what I want, right? So I gave a very simple prompt, right? And I can change the model, which video model I want to use it. So right now I want to use it a very simple, that is called Kling 3, which is the best one right now for cinematic and generation. And let's click on generate. Now within few seconds it will generate it. Due to some policies, I'm not using this platform, that's why it's not generating, but otherwise it is working perfectly fine. But I'm not a big fan of Studio. But yeah, if you're generating each and everything ElevenLabs in ElevenLabs, then you can use it. But I use different platforms and different softwares for a specific work. That's why I don't use it. But yeah, it's completely up to for inconvenience, right? Now this was the entire explanation of how you can use ElevenLabs. I hope you found this video really useful. Subscribe.